Hey, it's Rebecca from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Now today, we're gonna talk about 5 signs it's time to replace your window coverings. Now, knowing the common signs to look for that indicate when your window treatments need a replacement is the first step to ensuring you are educated for your project. From everyday wear and tear to operating malfunctions, here are 5 signs it's time to upgrade your blinds. Number 1, they look worn out. Over time, the color of the material can fade and the threads can start to come undone and be a little tattered from constant sun exposure and use. This can make your coverings look old and dingy and overall just bring down the interior design of your home. Number 2, they don't function properly. Functionality issues can be caused by common use, manufacturing defects, or just old age. Because your window coverings block out light, provide privacy, and help insulate your home, if they aren't doing their job, then your home is less protected and your interior doesn't look as great. Number 3, they are outdated or old. If you live in an older home with the original window coverings and you've never replaced them, this can make your home look a little outdated or old-fashioned. However, if you want to replace your window coverings, it all depends on your personal style and preference for look. Number 4, they don't meet your needs. Because window coverings provide your home with much more than just interior style, your window coverings must meet your needs for privacy and light control, as well as functionality. Maybe your current blinds seem to trap heat or make your home warmer. Or maybe your drapes don't provide as much light control as you'd like. No matter the reason, if you don't like your current window coverings and want to upgrade to something with more benefits, that's a good enough reason to consider replacing them. Number 5, they are damaged by the sun. Window coverings of all kinds are the first line of defense against sunlight entering your home. Because of this, the sun can cause fading and even damage to the window coverings over time. The powerful solar heat can warp some types of window coverings, causing them to become misshapen and create functionality issues in the future, causing you to need to replace them. Now you know 5 common signs it's time to replace your window coverings. If you're thinking about replacing your window treatments, one of the first things you want to know is how much your project is going to cost. If you want to learn more, click the link above to head over to our Learning Center to learn all about how much it costs to replace your window coverings. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.